Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Remove the two 2.5mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the right speakers to the top cover. Lift the right speakers off of the alignment pins on the top cover and set aside. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the Fingerprint reader board ZIF connector and disconnect the Fingerprint reader board ribbon cable from the Fingerprint reader board. Remove the 2.5mm P0 Phillips head screw that secures the Fingerprint reader board bracket to the top cover. Slide the Fingerprint reader board bracket out from under the retention tabs on the top cover and remove. Lift the Fingerprint reader board out of the cutout in the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the Fingerprint reader board.